Welcome back, guys. Do you guys remember this hairstyle? Yes, this was the first hair we created with our Brazilian wool. But in this video, I'm going to show you how I transformed this hair to what you saw in the thumbnail. Okay, so first of all, I was trying to comb the hair. Yes, I was trying to comb it out, but I finally found out that okay, combing it was like stressing me, and it was really difficult to like comb everything out at the same time because of the ends were kind of tight, so it was like and it was really hard. So I had to section it. I cut out the part that I wanted to use. I just like sectioned it into like smaller sizes, and then I started bringing it out, and I used my measuring tape to measure the length I wanted. I used 4 inch, so that I'm going to measure 4 inch, and I will cut it at 4 inch. Please, you can do this if you don't like the length of mine. If you feel like my length is like really short, you could opt for a longer length. You could just maybe make it 5 or 6, depending on whatever you want. So when you've measured it, you just comb it out, and you're going to do this for all of the hair. Please mind you, when I was in mine, I used 4 inch for the inside of the hair, and I used 5 for the outs, like the round part of the hair, the front part that you can see. I use it, I don't know, I just did it because I wanted the fronts to look more fuller. So if you feel like okay, for you, if this length is too short, you could opt for the longer one. And then that was what I did to achieve this. Yeah, the video to the other hairstyle is also linked in the description box below. So if you don't understand how we're able to get these coils on the wig at first, you just go ahead and watch the previous videos. I did a step-by-step tutorial on how to achieve this coily Brazilian wool used with viral hair band. Like I used the band, don't forget, if you look at the video very well, if you look at the wig well, you see that there is a band in front of it. So we just made this with this sweetened Brazilian wool. That's what we used to achieve this hair. And this video also was inspired by our lovely Vera Anonnachi. I believe if you are in this YouTube street and you're in this our hair business, hair game, you should know her. She's an inspiration. Yeah, she's a true motivator in this our hair styling videos and tutorials. Shout out to Vera Anonnachi. She's very good at what she does. You've stayed up to this point and you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Give this video a thumb up. Tell me what you think about this hair in the comment section, because this is like creative work, bringing it out of like something you wouldn't expect, and it's like also a way to also save your money instead of going to the market to buy your human hair or whatever, like at an expensive rate. You could just make yours yourself with a cheaper rate and get something very nice and beautiful, because I've had this for some time and it's still looking like it was. So don't forget to like, share, give your thought on this video. I would love to hear from you guys to know what you think about this hair. Okay, so at this point I'm still trimming the hair, yes, because you comb everything out, and hope you notice that we combed all parts of the ribbon out, or let's say our Brazilian wool was already looking like a ribbon, so we combed all parts of it out. We comb it out, like, yes, very well. We bring everything out, the coils, and don't forget to use this type of comb I use, or you could use this other smart comb, or like this longer part that you're not like, don't brush it, don't try to use brush. You're going to like make the whole something very rough. So I'm just going around trimming it, trying to make sure that it's very fine and perfect for use. This is what it looks like. Yes, this is a finished look. I applied the mousse and oil on the hair. So you guys, what we have here. At this point, I wore it on my hair. I was already on hair, so there was nothing I could do else again about it. And that first part was like when it was out, and this is when I shifted the wig inside. So guys, bye, see you in my next video. Subscribe, like, and share.